Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have a unboxing of the February BoxyCharm base box. Stay tuned. Today I have the BoxyCharm base box, which has 5 full-size items. The cost is $25 per month for the subscription box. There's also a BoxyCharm Premium that is $35 a month, and I think that contains 6 to 7 full-size products. And then there is a Boxy Luxe box, which I think is $49 or $50, and it contains like 8 full-size products. That box only comes every 3 months. So you have to have either the BoxyCharm base box or the BoxyCharm Premium box to even sign up for the BoxyCharm Luxe. Yes, confusing, but hopefully I have it right. I signed up for it already and I received my first Boxy Luxe in December. And so my March box that's coming, I don't know for sure if it's coming as a base box or if it's coming as a Luxe box. I am not positive if I have to re-sign up every 3 months or if it automatically signs me up. So I will see that when I get my March box. So I'm gonna give you a quick peek into my box, let you see my box and my 5 items. Okay, so this is, kind of move over, there we go. You can see kind of what I got as my 5 products. So, as some of you know, and others that do not know, I am legally blind. I do have problems reading regular print. I mostly use audio, or I use what they call CCTV to put paperwork under so that it makes things big, so that I can read it. Also do the same thing with a computer. I work in an office all day. I do computer work and paperwork all day, and those are the accommodations that I use every single day. So I do use an iPad and I wear my glasses, but just in case, I just kind of want to explain and let you know, when you see me reading very close, like this, to my iPad, I am reading at the point that I can read at. I can't just hold it back with glasses, and look, my glasses are actually like a +5 for regular viewing, like a TV and my iPad and things like that. But even at my work, mine are +10. So I am definitely blind, as they say. But I just do things a little bit different, and that's kind of like my channel. I want you guys to meet me. I want you guys to see me. I want you guys to see what I do, how I do life. My channel has different types of videos. I may go from reviews, subscription boxes. I do makeup and clothing and beauty, also lifestyle boxes. I also do travel videos. My husband and I, empty nesters, love to travel, love to cruise, love to go to the islands. So I have put some of those videos out there already if you guys want to see some of those. Kind of give you a heads up, I'm very adventurous. I'm not scared of a lot of things. I love to zip line and jump off the mountain into a great big zip line, and cave tubing, and just all kinds of other things. You know, we only live life once, and we might as well make it awesome. So live my life with me. Come back, subscribe if you guys want to, if you're interested in seeing those kinds of videos to see how I live and how I do life. Subscribe, push the bell at the bottom for notifications when I upload new videos. So let's get started on the BoxyCharm. Number 1 is this item. Hopefully you can all see that. And yes, don't mind my nails. I bite them. That's all I can say. I bite them and they are not pretty. So I've tried, it just isn't happening. So toes are pretty, fingernails not pretty. So this is my first item. This is the, let me go ahead and read that to you. to explain what this is. There's 15 wipes in a package, and they are called the Evio Beauty Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So they do take off waterproof makeup, and let's see what else it says about it. It says they are biodegradable, which is good. They take off the makeup and they keep skin hydrated. And so this is and it says it has infused with cannabis sativa seed oil, and it says it reduces inflammation. So these are, I would use them for makeup wipes, especially for traveling. So we go on cruises all the time, and this would be like a perfect thing to throw in my suitcase instead of taking like a bottle of liquid makeup wipes. And it's supposed to keep your skin hydrated, which I need a lot. I have very dry skin. Some of the autoimmune diseases I have cause me to have extremely dry skin. So number one. So let's see what the retail value on that one is. Let's see. The retail value on that one is $9.50. Okay, item number 2 is this item here. Go ahead and bring that up. Now, just to let you know, I can't really see the screen, so I can't tell you if it's focusing in or not. So I'll just kind of pull it in and out. First Aid Beauty, it is a facial cleansing pad. The retail value is $17 on it. And it also says that it says a daily treatment that contains the right amounts of lactic acid, glycolic acid, okay, and glycolic acid to safely and efficiently exfoliate the skin. So these are pads. I really don't want to open those yet because I have some others that I'm using right now, but I took off, so you can probably see, so inside of here you peel off the plastic, and inside of there are the little pads that you use to wipe your face with. This probably is good for traveling too. I know as long as I keep it in the container, it will stay moisturized. And a lot of times taking liquids is kind of difficult because like on airplanes, you never know when things are going to leak. I went to California last week, and I'm going to post that vlog coming up here this weekend. I went to California to see family last week, and I did take probably, like the little bottles that you buy in the travel section of shampoos and face wash, and I kind of poured everything into them. Half of it leaked into my makeup, like my toiletry bag. Mind you, nothing else got ruined or anything because it's in a toiletry bag, but it still leaked because it was liquid in, a pressurized area. So I think things like these wipes, and then these little pads, I think those are great ideas, especially for traveling. So let me check out number 3 here. Okay, so here is number 3. Hopefully I got you centered in here. These are the little beauty sponges. Okay, so that third item is called the Luxie Complete Sponge Set, and it retails for $40. There's 3 sponges in there. I haven't used a lot of beauty sponges over the last couple of years, but I have found a couple that I bought at Marshall's and tried them, and they actually work wonderful. So I'm really looking forward to, trying these right here. I've never tried to wet those yet. Like I told you guys in recent videos, I'm just really learning how to do makeup and skincare. All my life, I have worn makeup, but I only wear, I would wear a little bit of foundation with a little bit of correction or correcting serum type things. I would wear a little bit of blush with a little bit one shade of eyeshadow and just kind of a sheer lip. Not being able to see makes it kind of difficult and hard to put on makeup, but I'm learning. I'm learning how to use my makeup better, and I'm also learning how to use skincare. I definitely should have been doing skincare a lot sooner than I am doing it. So I'm hoping that what I'm doing now can still benefit me as I grow older. I'm a woman in my low to mid 50s. And so my skin is totally different than it was when I was 20 or 30. So what, you know, a young girl like my daughter, she's 31, and what she does with her skin is totally different than what I do with my skin. It's because we are two different ages. Our skins are in two different places, and her skin might be dry or oily, mine might be dry or oily. It's always totally different. And there's a lot of things that contribute to the way that your skin is. And you need to learn what is good for your skin and what kind of issues you have with your skin so that you can make your skin better as you do grow older. So those 3 sponges I will use coming up. Like I said, I bought a set of 2 at Marshall's. Okay, so there it is. Everybody can see that, I hope. Okay, so let me tell you what this next product is. Okay. So just so you know what I'm looking at on my iPad, I'm going to show you. Let me get to the product real quick. Okay. So I took a picture. Can you all see that? So I took a picture of the product. Like I said, I take pictures. And then I took a picture of the item and a description in the retail value. So that when I do get on here to kind of show you guys some things, I can know what I'm looking at and how much it costs. Mind you, I can't read a bunch of details at one time, but I can tell you the name, the retail value, and kind of what it does. So this one right here is made by Amika, and it said is the Supernova Moisture Plus Shine Cream, and the retail value is $25. So let's see what it says. Moisture Shine Cream is weightless. It is a leave-in cream that provides it provides superior hydration, detangling. I have very, very thin hair. So there you go. As you see, I have very, very thin hair. The older I get, the thinner my hair gets. I lost a bunch of hair while I was on a medication for a disease that I was diagnosed with, and the side effect of the medication was hair loss. So as I was taking this medication, underneath of my hair at the roots started to fall out, started to get very, very thin. And so it's actually, and it's been years, let's see, 2015, 2016. So 4 or 5 years, and it's still taking a long time for my hair to grow back in. Mind you, my mom has thin hair too, like me, so I imagine it could be hereditary, but I know it's also caused by the medication I was taking. So I'm not taking that medication anymore, so my hair is starting to grow back in. Okay, so that was 4 products. Product number 5. I love palettes. I have never used palettes. I have started using palettes since I've started getting my boxes. It's called Iconic, it looks like. The palette is called Iconic. Let me try and so you don't see the mirror. Let's see, does that work? Okay, so there's the colors. I'll go ahead and take this little plastic piece off, see if that helps for you to see it. It might, so let me, that way you're not getting the shine. Oh, beautiful neutral colors though. Okay, I told you I can see some. So I can see when things are light or dark. I can see when they're beiges or browns. It's hard for me to tell the difference between 2 shades that are really close together. So it looks like this one has 20 shades in it. And these are totally pretty. It does have a mirror in the top of it. They are a neutral color. They are made by Iconic. So let me tell you what this says about it. Get a retail value for you. Okay, so, okay, it is called the Iconic London. it's called Day to Slay eyeshadow palette, and the retail value is $62. So that has some mattes, some shimmers. Maybe you can see it with this too. Here is the actual picture from the website that shows the 20 shades. So I am starting to acquire some palettes. I really like them. They're easy to travel with. This one might be a little big. I do have one in my IPSY box that I'm getting ready to record that is a lot smaller than this one. So I will probably use that type of palette to travel with. So I hope you enjoyed my video and my rambling and my chatting. And I hope you will subscribe. For those of you who already have subscribed to my channel, thank you. I appreciate it so much. Every subscriber counts when it comes to putting a video out. I want people to watch my videos and to learn about me, to learn about, you know, my visual impairment and how I do things at work, how I do things at life. So you're gonna start seeing some different videos come out. So far I had just done the unboxings and a little bit of reviews, some clothing, a little bit of travel, but mostly like the rooms that we stay in when we travel. But I'd like to definitely do travel videos on cruises, like the ship that we are on. See it through my eyes of what I'm seeing when I go around a ship and when I go to travel. I'd love to show countries that we go to. That is like a total goal for me. I love to travel. I love to see new places. I want to see all these places before I lose everything I have in my eyes. You know, when I was young, and I may have already said this in another video, but I was told that I was going to be blind by the time I was 21. I am 54 years old. I will be 55 years old this year. I still see some color. I still see shapes. I still see definition. I still see enough that I enjoy the things that I see. And when I can't see someday, I want my husband to be able to say, do you remember when we went to this island and the watercolor was this color? And in my mind, I can see that. I can remember what that color of water looked like because I did get to see it. You know, everybody is not blessed to have gotten to see the things that I see. I am very thankful that I do have what I do have at this point to still be able to see. And I want to share it with you guys. I love life. Life is joyful to me. Life is a gift to me. So subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified when I put out new content. And again, I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you stopping by to see my video, and I appreciate your time. Come back and see me. I'll see you in another video.